Peace and blessings, everyone. Just want to update y'all on my court proceedings and tell y'all some things that transpired at the end of last week, Thursday and Friday. Hold on, let me close this window. Got to hear my dog about to bark. The big head. Alright, well, like I said, I had court yesterday, and all that happened is it's being postponed till the 29th of August. Not. Like I said, that court date is to set up a preliminary hearing, which means the DA comes in front of the judge with evidence or not to support the need to go to trial. Of course, my attorney will try to bring forth evidence or whatnot to prevent it from going to trial, and the judge makes a decision on if I should go to trial or not. So that's what's going on. All right, but in dealing, that's a byproduct of what's going on right now. Thursday and Friday. On Thursday, well, since I've discovered that parents have no rights, no disciplinary rights, against their children, that you really can't do anything. What I decided is, for any and everything that my son does that he's not supposed to do, the police should be called. Call the police. Now remember, I'm still not home. All right, I'm not allowed, or they don't want me home because they don't want me to interact with my son yet. Right? So, Thursday afternoon, I pick up my daughter from school. She's in summer school, and so is my older son. Same time, same school. He gets a ride from his friend. I pick my daughter up and I drop her off at home. And also on Thursday, my youngest has ninjutsu class. So I still have to do things. I still have to come to the house to pick up my other kids, do various things or whatnot. But that's usually the gist of that. So Thursday, like I said, my son has ninjutsu, my daughter has class. Pick them up, get home, drop them off, and my daughter comes out and says that my older son is not home yet. So okay. So time goes by. It gets to around 11:30. They get out at 9:30 in the morning. Around 11:30, and he's still not home. He should be home. He's not allowed to go anywhere. He's not allowed to do anything. Talk on the phone, be on the internet, and go anywhere, hang out. He should be home. So, call the police. So call the police, and it's around 12 o'clock. He gets to the house. Maybe around 12:30, the police get there or whatnot. So I inform them a little bit what's going on and about what needs to be going on with him. So they need to communicate with him that he needs to be home within a half an hour. If he can't be home, then he needs to walk to his mother's place of business, which is, I don't know, maybe a 30, 45-minute walk. Alright, so that happens on Thursday. Come to Friday. On Friday, after work, after my wife's, after she gets off work, whatnot, we decide we're gonna go out to eat. Friday usually is pizza night for the family, but now because in the home we've been going out to eat. So we go out to eat pizza, and then we decide to go see a movie also. Friday's also usually movie nights for us, family movie night. So we go to the movie, see Ratatouille. It's a good movie, by the way. Go out, we get home around 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the evening. Now when my wife had to come to the house to pick up my two younger boys, my older son was home. So like I said, we do the dinner, do the movie, get home 10 o'clock. I'm dropping them off, sitting in the driveway, son comes out, Mom wants you. Come inside, of course, my older son is not here. Call the police immediately, right? And once again, he shouldn't be anywhere. So I call them, they eventually come. decide we're gonna file a runaway report or not. But in going through this, you know, the police is telling us that there's nothing really they can do about it. All right. I guess the police got to our house around 12 midnight, and there is a curfew here in town for what I guess is for kids under 18. 11 o'clock is supposed to be a curfew. You know, of course it's way past 11, but he says there's really nothing they can do about it. You know, he's not breaking any laws, you know, but he's breaking my law. He shouldn't be out. He shouldn't be anywhere, and especially not. He's breaking my law, right? And we're like, well, if you're not gonna do anything, and you're not allowing me to do anything to really control my child, then where does that leave me? What am I supposed to do? You know, if a child is not doing things he's supposed to, and doing things that he's not supposed to, and you're not letting me do what I feel is a necessary course of action to remedy those things, then once again you're saying I have no authority or control over my child. And of course that's what's going on right now, because he knows going through this we can't do anything to him. All right, for one, I can't even talk to him. I can't be around him. And then there's my wife. All right, so we're talking about a 16-year-old, be 17 next month. You know, who once again thinks he wants to be a man. You know, so it's like, right? Where are my rights? Where is my help? You know, what are you doing for me to help me? Instead of trying to judge me and tell me how wrong I am, but you're not there to help us. Alright? So the report is filed. Like I said, they say if they run across them, they pick them up from the system and bring them home. I mean, but you know, that's not enough. You know, my child is doing something he should be doing. Alright, so guess when he comes home? Comes strolling up 8 o'clock the next morning. Like it's all good. And guess it is. I guess it is. Because nothing I can do. So that's that. And that's where we're at. That's just about where we're at. So I'll let you know, of course, keep you up to date at the next court date and whatnot. And of course I'll see you next video. And I got a video coming out the next few days with Timothy De La Ghetto. For those of you who are familiar with him, he's here on YouTube. You know, a young kid, real cool. All right. So until then, God bless, peace, and love.